Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a restricted account on the application of UNO. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of UNO and you click here. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.